Atoms and elements. Objective: to learn the fundamentals of atoms and elements. All substances that we see are made up of minute particles we know as atoms. These tiny specks are the fundamental units of matter. A substance containing only one type of atom is an element. For example, iron is an element because it contains only iron atoms. Similarly, carbon is an element because it is made up of nothing but carbon atoms. If we look inside an atom, we would see three types of tinier particles: protons, electrons, and neutrons. In the atom's center is the nucleus, which is made up of protons and neutrons. Protons carry a positive charge. Neutrons do not carry any charge, so they are electrically neutral. Electrons carry a negative charge and revolve around the nucleus in orbits. Every element on Earth has a defined number of electrons, protons, and neutrons, and these numbers are unique to that particular element. Every element also has two specific numbers that are associated with it: an atomic number and a mass number. Let's see what those terms mean. An element's atomic number identifies the number of protons found in the nucleus of one atom of that element. For example, the element hydrogen is made up of a hydrogen atom. Its nucleus will have only one proton, so the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Now let's look at carbon, which is made up of carbon atoms. Its nucleus will contain 6 protons, meaning carbon's atomic number is 6. Interestingly, in any atom, the number of protons and electrons will always be the same. In our example, a hydrogen atom will have 1 electron, and a carbon atom will have 6 electrons. Because the positively charged protons are balanced by equal numbers of negatively charged electrons, atoms are electrically neutral. An atom's mass number is the sum of its protons and neutrons. In our example, carbon has 6 protons in its nucleus and 6 neutrons. So 6 protons plus 6 neutrons will give us the mass number of carbon, which is 12. An oxygen atom will contain 8 protons, so its atomic number is 8. Oxygen also contains 8 neutrons, making its mass number 16. Summary: atoms are the fundamental units of matter. Atoms are made up of protons, electrons, and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and neutrons have no charge. The number of protons in a nucleus of an atom is its atomic number. The sum of the number of protons and neutrons is an atom's mass number. The number of electrons will be equal to the number of protons in an atom.